Hey everyone! I have some exciting news to share with you today. Party Popper. I'm thrilled to announce a $50 giveaway to 50 lucky subscribers on my channel. But there's a catch. This will happen only when we reach 1,000 subscribers. And that's not all. I have some massive special gifts lined up for a few select subscribers, which I'll reveal once we hit the 1K milestone. Rocket. To participate and stand a chance to win, all you need to do are these 3 simple steps. 1. Subscribe to the channel. 2. Like every video. 3. Comment below why you need $50 and why it's important to you. Winners will be chosen based on engagement, so make sure to like, comment, and stay active. Good luck, and let's reach 1,000 subscribers together. Raising hands. Let's start today's topic. What is MemeLand? MemeLand is an exciting new Web3 venture studio created by the team behind the popular internet site 9gg. Their goal is to empower communities around the world by building and investing in projects that focus on community, creativity, and of course, memes. MemeLand uses blockchain technology to create a transparent and decentralized company that emphasizes social fi and creator economies. With the meme token, MemeLand aims to connect creators and communities, making it a lively hub for meme lovers everywhere. MemeLand tokenomics. The $meme token is at the center of the MemeLand ecosystem. There are 69 billion tokens in total, and they are distributed in a way that encourages growth and rewards the community. Here's how it breaks down. Total supply: 69 billion meme tokens. Airdrop: 25% of tokens are set aside for airdrops, with a gradual release schedule. Community presale: 11% is allocated, with 2.75% available right away. Other allocations: this includes funds for the ecosystem treasury, private sale, contributors, Binance launch pool, and advisors. These allocations ensure everyone gets a fair share, encouraging community involvement and long-term growth. What is MemeLand Airdrop and staking? MemeLand's Airdrop is a major event in the crypto world. Users who own certain NFTs from MemeLand collections like MVP, Captains, and Patatas, as well as pre-sale participants, can receive free $meme tokens. Plus, Telegram users can join through the MemeLand Airdrop bot for more rewards. The airdrop will happen in stages and ends in November, with pre-sale participants entering a drawing for $1 million. For extra earnings, users can stake their $meme tokens in MemeLand's game bank, enjoying an impressive APY over 1,000%. Staking gives users regular, hourly returns, making it a great option for passive income. MemeLand Airdrop benefits. Joining the MemeLand Airdrop comes with some exciting perks. Free $meme tokens, a chance to get $meme before it hits exchanges. League system. Earn rewards by climbing league levels as you collect tokens. Staking rewards. High APY for staking offers passive income and fast token growth. How to buy and trade meme tokens. Trading $meme tokens is easy on CoinEx, a reliable global crypto exchange. Here's how to get started. Create a CoinEx account. Sign up on the platform. Deposit funds. Add money to your account using any supported cryptocurrency or payment method. Go to the meme trading page. Look for the memes/USDT trading pair. Choose your amount. Decide how many $meme tokens you want to buy. Execute the trade. Confirm and submit your order. Backed by the 9gg team, MemeLand is making its mark in the Web3 and meme culture scene. With a generous airdrop and community-focused tokenomics, MemeLand invites everyone to join in on the fun of meme-based crypto. Whether through airdrops, staking, or trading, $meme tokens offer a great chance for crypto fans to engage with this dynamic, community-driven project. How to buy and trade meme tokens. Trading $meme tokens is straightforward on CoinEx, a trusted global crypto exchange. Here's how you can get started. Create a CoinEx account. Sign up on the platform to create your account. Deposit funds. Fund your account using any supported cryptocurrency or payment method, such as credit cards or bank transfers. Go to the meme trading page. Look for the memes/USDT trading pair to start trading. Choose your amount. Decide how many $Meme tokens you want to buy based on your investment strategy. Execute the trade. Confirm your order and submit it to complete the transaction. Community and future plans. MemeLand is not just about trading and earning, it's about building a vibrant community. The team plans to host events, contests, and collaborative projects to foster creativity and interaction among users. They aim to become a key player in the meme culture space, blending fun and finance in new and exciting ways. With regular updates, community engagement initiatives, and potential partnerships with creators and influencers, MemeLand is poised for significant growth. As they continue to innovate, users can expect even more features and opportunities to engage with the ecosystem. Backed by the 9GG team, MemeLand is carving out a unique space in the Web3 and meme culture scene. With a generous airdrop and community-focused tokenomics, MemeLand invites everyone to join in on the fun of meme-based crypto. Whether through airdrops, staking, or trading, $Meme tokens provide a valuable opportunity for crypto enthusiasts to dive into this dynamic, community-driven venture.